So hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I was liking to show you some tips and tricks for Minecraft Java Edition that will work also for Pocket Edition. So if you want to see that, be sure to leave a like and also to subscribe. So now guys, let's get into the first one, and it's how to make a base, of course. So you know that you have to do a lot of work for creating the space for the underground base, but this is going to be easier. So as we see, I have dig a bit down. You can do how much you want, okay, how much you want to do deep. So this is going to be the command, okay, slash fill, okay, you have to do 4 times this small thing, okay, and then you have to tab the blocks you want to do, okay. So this is going to be like X, Y, and Z, of course. So you have to tap Minecraft, and for having a free space, you have to tap air. And as we see, we have a ton of space now for creating the underground base, of course. We have a so yeah guys, this is going to be the second one. So as we see, I have the hero village strength and health boost. So as you can see, I'm in difficulty normal, and let's go to game mode, okay guys. So just see how much health I will have, okay. Yeah, just to tap survival, okay. Let's go. Just see how much health I have, okay. So yeah guys, I'm going to show you so who to get. So as we see is slash effect give to the player. So you have to tap always the Minecraft for doing something, okay. So let's say just wait, okay. Here we have a ton of space, okay, we have a ton of them, okay. All these are going to be effects you can get, okay. So yeah guys, I'm going to show you now for the speed, okay. So yeah guys, how to do the effect for the speed, okay. You have to tap effect to give to the person, okay. Here you can do, so I am Dex and I'm going to do for the Dex, okay. I have that name. Then you have to tap Minecraft. So this is going to be for every single effect and for fill, of course. Then you have to go to the speed. So yeah, I'm first going to show you for glowing. So yeah guys, just see that I'm going to do for seconds 1 million, I think is maximum, and 255. So as we see, now I'm glowing. Okay guys, so now I'm going to show you even effect for the speed, okay. So Dex Minecraft, okay, 2 dots, okay, just leave me. Let's go to the speed. So yeah guys, first I don't know why it's going so yeah guys, it's going to go so fast. So here we have the speed. So just look, 1 million, okay, for 1 million second, and the amplifier is going to be like 255. So yeah guys, look, okay, just look how fast I'm moving. I cannot get even outside of the door. So yeah, just look at this. It's like going in creative mode while flying, okay. So yeah guys, so I was liking to say even thank you guys, because you have helped me to reach almost 3,100 subscribers. So the video for Minecraft Pocket Edition, the comment is going to come soon. So be sure to leave a like and also to subscribe to my channel. And thank you for helping me reach 3,100